When you're on the case and you need answers, you need Jamf training and support. On this channel, we're your inside informants, getting you the Jamf intel you need to get you back to your day. Whether you're a seasoned Jamf admin looking for a quick case closed, or you need a guide from A to Z, we're here to help. No time to follow the clues? Our growing collection of Jamf shorts connect the dots for you, without any fluff. Keep ahead of the game with our release notes videos, highlighting new product features. And when you're ready to inspect all the possibilities Jamf offers, we've got a wealth of product highlights, workflow ideas, and even online certification courses like the Jamf 100 and Jamf 170, waiting for you to take the case. With new intel shared regularly, be sure to subscribe to catch the latest from all of us at Jamf Training and Support.